Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design's gonna be like a glitter ombre fade. So I've already dehydrated and primed this nail and sculpted a tip. So using Warm Beige, I've put a smaller bead near the cuticle area and I'm dragging down the nail. So I'm pushing that nude colour back up the nail because I made a little boo-boo, come down too far. Now I'm going to go in with crystal clear, pop it on the nail and then dip in my brush into the pot of glitter and just whack it on that nail. So I've dipped my brush into some clear acrylic and then picked up the glitter and popped it on the nail. So now I'm going to encapsulate all that glitter so when I file it doesn't take it off. I'm just leaving the nail to set and harden. I'm going in with a hand file and I'm going to file the side walls and the free edge. Now I'm going in with my Efile just to debulk that nail. Now I'm going in with my hand file just to neaten up all the edges. Now using Pure Acetone on a lint-free wipe, I'm going to wipe over the nail to get rid of any score marks or dust and make it nice and smooth. Then on goes the Urban Graffiti top coat. That's going to go under the lamp for a minute. So now I'm going to use the Neo Nails coconut cuticle oil and rehydrate that nail. So these are some really pretty pink nails that you can do really quickly. So these are the glitters I used, a slightly finer one and then a thicker one. So I hope you enjoyed this design and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below and I'll see you next time. Bye!